I am busy.
Let's go to Howrah.
May. Dry. N. Let's go to Howrah on Friday. Are you busy on Friday?
Are you busy on Friday? Are you busy on Friday? Are you busy on Friday?
Are you busy on Friday? Let's go to Howrah on Saturday.
Let's go to Shiliguri on Saturday. Let us go to Shiliguri. Saturday. Let's go to Shiliguri on Saturday. Saturday. On Saturday. Let's go to Shiliguri on Saturday.
Let's go to Kolkata on Saturday. Let us go to. Let's go to Kolkata on Saturday. Kolkata. Let's go to Kolkata on Saturday. Saturday. Bus. Where is the bus stop? Top. The bus driver is busy. The bus driver is near the bus.
Where is the bus to Dhaka?
Where is the bus to Kolkata? Excuse me, where is the bus to Kolkata? Me. Where is the. Excuse me, where is the bus to Kolkata? Bus to Excuse me, where is the bus to Kolkata?
The bus is behind the red car.
Behind. Good. Market. Dress. Blue. Zoo.
Museum.
Father.
Where is the museum?
The weather is hot.
There is a restaurant near the mall.
There is a famous zoo in the city. Is a famous. There is a famous zoo in the city. In the city.
Welcome to Dhaka.
Hello, welcome to Dhaka. Welcome to Kolkata.
Art.
Let's go to the zoo. Over. Over. Part. Part. Zip. Zip. Zip.
Let's go to the art museum.
There is a cafe in the police museum.
There is a police museum near the zoo.
Is the zoo open today?
The art museum is open today. The art museum in open today. The art museum is open today. Open today is open today. The art museum is open today.
Hotel.
Room.
Soon. 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 Neat. Neat.
Our room is awesome.
Beach.
The hotel is near the beach.
swimming pool? Where is the swimming pool? I am tired. Top. Top. This bus is very old.
This is a nice room. It a nice room. This is a nice room.
Is the zoo open today?
Where is the bus to Dhaka? Is the bus Dhaka? Where is the bus to Dhaka? Dhaka. Bus. Dhaka. Where is the bus to Dhaka?
I am busy. Yes, I am busy. I am busy. Yes, I am busy. The museum is open today.
The weather is nice. Is nice. The weather is nice.
Where is the bus driver?